for things you never knew that your Prolux CTX could do. Turn your vacuum into a blower by attaching the tool hose to the exhaust port. Then attach the handheld sprayer and saturate your carpets with solution. Once you're done scrubbing the carpets, hook up an extractor attachment and suck away the dirt. Great way to deep clean your car's interior. Not a very common thing, but you can turn your CTX into a painting machine. Wow! Look at that beautiful blue banana! Pick up the optional Prolux Storm Carpet Shampooer and give your carpets the cleaning they deserve. Perfect for spot cleaning, pet accidents, tile grout, or whole home shampooing. Lastly, you can use your CTX to inflate a numerous of things: inner tubes, air mattresses, inflatable swimming pools, you get the idea, or use it as a vacuum sealer, if you can think it. The Prolux CTX can do it.